City. Special episode today. Little Rad City. We're out here in Berlin. Check out this Ruff Cycles Lil'Buddy Pop-Up store. Maybe we can take him for a ride. Take him for a test ride, hopefully. Let's see if they'll let us take him for a test ride. Max 5 people? Okay, let's see. Maybe. Hi. Grüße. Hallo. Wie geht's dir?
Alles gut, danke. Und dir?
Also gut, danke schön.
Genau. Schön, dass du da bist.
Dankeschön. Is it okay wenn ich gerade hier filme?
Ja, klar.
Go there for my YouTube channel or Far Raiders auschecken.
Okay, cool.
This is a 2020 Ruff Cycle Lil'Buddy 250 watt pedelec EU legal bicycle. We're out here checking out the Ruff Cycles Pop-Up here in Berlin, taking the Lil'Buddy for a ride. This won't be a full review, just go through a little bit and show you guys a little bit of the features. We can see here then they have here this really nice 7-speed Altus shifter in the rear, normal hub, 4-inch wide tires, and then here in the mid you have this nice performance line Bosch motor. So the Lil'Buddy comes in a few different configurations. This is the top of the line Bosch CX performance motor. The Lil'Buddy base engine is the active line from Bosch. And this one here is the upgraded CX motor, which has a little bit more power than the baseline active. Nice mid-engine drive here from Bosch. Really nice setup here. Really nice setup from Bosch here. Nice freewheel. Dual pot hydraulic disc brakes. Then you see from the design aspect here, you have the battery underneath of the seat. You unlock it here and pull it out and charge it that way. It's really an interesting setup. So that way then the battery is nice and covered from, say, weather. Good weather protection. Another accessory here is their own frame bag from Ruff Cycles, which you can buy off their website. So a nice bespoke frame bag built for the bike's frame, which is really nice. Here you can see this nice Shimano Altus 7-speed shifter with the derailleur. And then you have this nice chain stay here to keep it from falling too low, which is a nice feature. I wish my RX had something like this. It seems really nice. So this is where you're getting all the power. It's giving you extra pedal power instead of, say, pushing power here from the rear brake. Alright, so instead of, say, the 2% 3 or the uni swing, the UDX is where the battery's in the rear. It gives it a lighter, much lighter rear. And then the mid is where then the weight is. Some of the accessories here on the Lil'Buddy, you see here we have this nice light and mud guards. They also sell a nice front plate for the light, so we have this nice little mount. You can see that on some of the other bikes in the shop from the video. And all in all, this Lil'Buddy, it weighs about 25 kilo, 23 kilo, 25 kilo. So I mean, it's, you can definitely tell it's lighter than the Uni Swing, is lighter than the RX. It's a light bike, which is really nice. Yeah, the Lil'Buddy, it's a really nice light setup here, which is good. Ride like you stole it, just out here taking this thing for a nice little preview. So nice setup, really cool. Lil'Buddy. Let's take this thing back to its home. I'm sure they're waiting for it. 2020 Lil'Buddy. Cool little e-bike. Yeah, this seat pushes you a little bit forward. I find it's okay. Yeah, it's a Lil'Buddy, nice little vehicle. Never driven a mid-motor bike so far. I've only ridden the rear motor bikes, so that definitely is a interesting feeling with the rear lighter. right? And then you don't get that pushing feeling. Definitely so I noticed it's like a bicycle, and then you definitely have to pedal more. You get that feeling more about like riding a bicycle. You're not getting the Superman push from the rear like you do in a rear hub drive, like the Super 73 or a Unimo. No suspension, hard forks front and rear. Yeah, hard forks front and rear. Not a bad setup. Notice my legs are a little bit more cramped than say in the Super 73. So for the little buddy, they offer a seat riser kit, which is pretty cool. See the drivetrain a little bit with the 7-speed gearing. How that looks. Rolling around on the little buddy. Interesting bike for sure. It's a good feeling. Right now I'm in turbo level. You can't tell. So this is 9 the kilometer. Yeah, I'm going 9 kilometers an hour. And this thing will go only 25 kilometers an hour, which is fine. It's a street legal EU version. Got some light off-roading on the little buddy here. Okay, the sound. You hear that motor whirring along. Full hydraulic Shimano brakes. Nice setup. Thanks to Ruff Cycles for letting me check out their bike. It's a pretty cool experience. Little buddy, cool bike. Thanks for letting me check it out. That was fun. I hope I wasn't gone for too long. Thanks to Ruff Cycles. Let me check out the bike.
Welcome back.
Okay. It's a really nice color, this one here. This like sandstone color.
Yeah, Shimano Altus. 7 rears, but this is enough for the bike. It's easy enough. You only can go to 25 kilometers. When you go with yourself, you would say 30.
Okay, yeah. Is there any option to go faster, like 32 kilometer?
Of course. You can go as fast as you are able to power in with the bike. So you can go 40 or 50, but it depends how much energy you have.
Okay. Oh, this is, I mean, it's like surprisingly light, I find.
Yeah, it's around 23 to 25 kilos.
Yeah. Like, especially like in the rear where like the battery is, you know, it's just not so. Yeah, I want to bring one outside. We can compare it real quick to the Moke and to the Super 73. See like the size comparison.
Yeah. I would suggest you take this one.
Ja.
Da ist nämlich der Active Line Motor drin, der ist nicht ganz so stark. Und mit dem CX von Bosch macht es noch ein bisschen mehr Spaß, weil die Unterstützung noch stärker ist, vor allem von Anfang an.
Looks like a big toy.
Ja, kann man auch machen.
Was meinst du?
Die Lenker.
Ja, du kannst es noch unten drunter theoretisch so unten in die Platten reinkommen, dass es ein bisschen höher wird, aber vom Lenker selber wird es schwierig.
I need to get different handlebars then.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool.
Quite different, I guess, to the Waffen drive.
Absolutely. It's a different feeling with the mid drive for sure.
Yeah.
We noticed like for sure that the rear is lighter.
Yeah, the weight balance is completely different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like you can tell for like say jumping,
Yeah.
it's going to be much easier, much more fun.
Yeah.
If you guys want to try it out, you guys are more than welcome to.
I will, for sure.
It's already unlocked. Here, it's already up. Yeah,
I will really try.
it's ready to go. It's turned on. power, you can turn all the way up to power level 4. It's on the 10th gear. Just basically leave it on 10th gear and you're good to go.
Sure.
Und wie fährt das Ding?
Ja, ich will wie deins.
Also, aber jeder Bike ist anders, deswegen jeder Bike hat ihre Besonderheiten. So wie der Moke, der Ruffian, der Lil'Buddy.
But the drive is completely open.
What do you mean? The speed limit.
The drive is pushing to.
So like, you know, around the street I try to keep it 25.
Yeah, but it's crazy that with an aluminium frame you have 33 kilos.
It's 36, but the...
Or 36 kilos.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's quite heavy.
It's this 1,000 cell battery, right? The battery is so heavy.
Yeah.
And then the drivetrain,
The drive
but then the motor and the gear and the brakes all there in the rear.
Yeah.
And then the beefy suspension just makes it then heavier.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Da sind wir bei 33, aber das ist nochmal doppelt so lang fast, ne?
Ja.
Dieses Fahrrad.
Have you ridden one yet?
No? No?
Go ahead. It's ready to go. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Ja, zum Transportieren, ich habe...
Kannst du auch gerne herumfahren.
Man kann den Sitz auch weiter nach vorne oder weiter zurückschieben. Ja, falls du jetzt sagst, die Beine haben vielleicht ein bisschen...
Schön Spaß.
Kannst du noch ein bisschen weiter nach vorne. Und ich halte das Fahrrad für mich.
Very unique Unimoke. How long have you had it now for? Wie lange hast du es schon?
Christmas.
2 years ago?
Yeah,
Okay,
2
okay.
years now.
Yeah, nice.
Maybe 2 years.
Nice, okay.
I sent it you on the 23rd of December.
Good picture.
It was like a Christmas present. I waited 2 months.
Wir haben so ein paar Winterangebote, weil jetzt die Woche
Mach mal. Mach mal.
wir verschicken sowas mit allen eine Ecke.
So how does that feel?
Yeah, that's more nice than the Moke.
Exactly. It's like riding on like a cloud.
Yeah,
Really comfortable.
Du musst auspacken, anmachen.
Hard grips. Soft saddle but hard grip.
Weil es nur so eine minimale
A little bit.
Huh?
Don't have no my Moke. Grips are a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Ja, wie gesagt, wir wollten es eigentlich schon wieder machen.
Yeah, nice. Interesting feel, yeah. I like that. Huh. Okay, yeah, exactly. I saw that on the website, exactly. You can have these nice seat risers. That's a nice touch.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Meine ohne leichter machen, glaube ich. Muss man dann so langsam auf eine leichter machen. Wenn sie leichter sind, ziehen sie doch besser ab.
You got the key, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. I'm gonna take this thing for a ride. There you go.
Ich liebe da meine Sitzposition.
So, 2020 Ruff Cycle, Lil'Buddy.